Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to talk about some basics of networking. Basically, learning networking is very important because we all are connected with internet, or we can say in other terms, networking. So a network is a group of two or more devices that are connected to each other to share the data or share the resources. So a network contains a number of different computer systems that is connected by a physical or wireless connection like server or router. So here the router has direct access to the internet. As you can see here, we are having these many clients. These are the users. This is the router, and here we are having internet. So as you can see that router is in direct connection with the internet. Okay, so that is why it is saying that the router has direct access to the internet. So the devices can only connect to the internet through the router, or we can say access point. Suppose for example, the client or device connected to the network through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So if the client opens up the browser and types google.com, then your computer will send a request to the router, okay, asking for google.com. Then the router will go to the internet and request google.com here. So router will receive the google.com from internet and then forward that particular request, or we can say response, to the computer. So now client can see google.com on the browser as a result. Okay, so this is how basically internet works in very basic manner. So in networking, devices on the same computer, or we can say network, communicate with each other using packets. So if you send a video, log in a website, sending chat messages, sending emails, all the data is sent as packet. So in networking, devices ensure that these packets go in the right direction using the MAC address. So each packet has the same MAC address and destination address, and it flow from source MAC address to destination MAC address. It is because suppose you're having this packet, you're chatting with your friend, you're having two packets. This is you and this is your friend. You're talking to each other. Now you send a message to your friend. So how your computer will know that this message should be sent to this person? By simply giving the source address, source MAC address and destination MAC address to this particular packet, what it will do, it will contain the source MAC address, which is your MAC address, and it will contain DM, which is destination MAC address, which is your friend MAC address. So this will direct this particular packet to the friend device, or we can say friend address. So this is how basically networking works in computer, and it is very important to understand if you're talking about hacking. When it comes to network penetration testing or network hacking, it is must. And if you're talking about ethical hacking like website hacking, computer hacking, system hacking, server hacking, and also network hacking, then it is also very important to understand networking, because we all are connected through internet, and internet is nothing but the networking, or we can say network. So this is how it works, and thank you for watching this lecture.